on, amid the festive demand in the automobile sector, the sales of passenger vehicles in India have declined by 41% in September this year as opposed to a year ago. Now, as per a report of the Society of Indian Automobile Manufacturers, this crash in sales has been primarily attributed to the shortage in the semiconductors, which in turn has hit production. So only about 1.6 lakh units have been sold this year, and this is a sharp contrast to the 2.2 lakh figure that was reported last year. The shortage has also hit the two-wheeler markets, with sales dipping by 17%, comparatively lower figure, but still a rise. The market of three-wheelers seems to be the only silver lining. This has also impacted the waiting period as well, as far as people who want to buy new vehicles are concerned. But let's bring in an expert voice. Tutu Dhawan is joining us on the phone line. Thank you so much for speaking to Mirror Now. What is your sense of how bad the situation is? Because, till last year, obviously, as a result of the pandemic, we were talking about the demand being impacted. Now, this time round, the demand seems to be there, but because of this shortage, there seems to be a big waiting period as well, and this plummet in sales.
Yeah, actually, during the pandemic, the entire focus had shifted to home appliances, including laptops, computers, and various other games, which required the chip. And in any case, in the world, there are only a few chip manufacturers who were working to capacity. And at that time, they had to shift their gears and started supplying to the software companies, including computers, games for kids, and so on and so forth. So now, suddenly the requirement for the chip has come towards the automobiles. And the automobiles today, a modern automobile does require a fair amount of chips, not one, sometimes even more. Depending on what sort of a vehicle it is a luxury vehicle or it's a standard vehicle. So the shortage has yet not been overcome, in spite of the fact that the manufacturers are trying to work overtime and they are having their shifts also. But the chip itself takes at least 35 to 40 days to be manufactured. So the process cannot be shortened. And that is one of the reasons why, they cannot keep up with the market supply and demand.
Yes, absolutely. And Tutu Dhawan, how bad in terms of the waiting period, if you can give us a sense here, some of the most popular vehicles and brands that we're talking about, what kind of waiting periods are we looking at?
You see, it's unfortunate that the car manufacturers themselves do not make chips themselves, and they all rely on a vendor, except for Tesla, who have their own facility of making chips. There is no other manufacturer who has that. And it is unfortunate that the entire automobile industry has moved towards electronics on their vehicles. So the shortage of the chip, till it is the manufacturers ramp up their production, or they can shift the requirement from the computers and other children's games towards the automobiles. I guess one will have to keep waiting for their vehicles as and when the manufacturer get their chips, the vehicles can come on the road.
Yes, fair enough, Tutu Dhawan. Thank you so much for joining us with all of those details and your perspective.